and welcome. Are you a busy mom dreaming of building a business from home, but feeling overwhelmed by where to even start? In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 C's of digital marketing, a simple yet powerful framework that helped me and thousands of other moms go from burnout to building online income without having any technical skills, any following, any experience, or even spending a penny on paid ads. Now, make sure you stick around to the very end because I will be introducing you to these real moms, showing you real-time proof of the results that they're getting. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi and studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business without having to have any technical experience, just so that you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Now, digital marketing is the best place to start for moms with limited time, because as long as you have an internet, the internet and a device, those two things, you can work anywhere around the world and around your schedule. So when you have those pockets of time within your day, during nap times, during first thing in the morning, before bedtime, during when you're waiting on school collection, school activities, you can actually spend that time building your business, right? And it's very important for you to follow these 5 C's, to follow up trying to figure it out and you're just throwing mud against the wall and hoping something sticks. Now, the first C is very important, and it's so important because that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using one of the first C's, which is content, right? Now, content is both king and queen. Content is your real target audience, right? And there's so many types of content that you can create. You don't have to show your face like I am now, even though that's the fastest way to build a relationship with your target audience, to get them to know, like, and trust you. However, if you're not ready to show your face, you can do faceless content. You can do blogs, you can do articles, you can do images, infographics. There's so many ways that you can create content, but it's important for you to realize that content is a vital piece in you becoming a digital marketer and building your digital business, right? And the second C in being successful in digital marketing is surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded people, and also building your own community, right? Being able to build your following on social media, being able to have a two-way conversation between you and your target audience, and being able to just to have that support that moms are looking for, right? And it's a great way to connect with like-minded people. And I'll introduce you to our community where we have that support for each other and we're helping each other. Now, the fourth one is communication, which is so important because again, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm communicating a message to you. So you have to be able to communicate your message to your target audience through whatever channel or medium that you use. But then you also have to be able to communicate with them via email, via direct messaging. So communication is key, because that's how you get a cold lead into a buyer, by communicating with them and building that relationship, right? So it's so important for you to keep your communication channel open, right? And then the fourth one is all about conversions. So in building your business, it's all about learning how to convert a cold lead into a sale. And the fastest way to do that is, as I say, show your face, create that content, but also build your email list, because your email list is your, they say the money is in the list. That's how you're going to build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, and trust you, and to convert them from a cold lead into a sale, right? Into a buyer. Now, the last piece here is where most moms fall down. It's all about having that consistency, right? Consistency beats perfection. Most moms are afraid to even start, right? Because they want things to be perfect. But that's not the way to go. Things don't have to be perfect for you to get started. The most important thing is that you start where you are, and you take daily consistent action towards building your business, towards achieving your goals, right? So last year I came across this proven step-by-step blueprint, which is teaching me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. And so I no longer have to bother my family and friends or slide into strangers' DMs. And one of the things that we learn in this program is how to master a 2-hour workday, how to get our income producing activities done in 2 hours a day. Now, this ties into that consistency piece, because when we know exactly what activities we need to do every single day, what we need to do is just consistently take action into making that happen, right? Now, what I want to do now is I want to share with you our bonus sites of this proven step-by-step blueprint, and share with you our community here. We have over 55,000 members of our community. 113 are online right now. If I had any questions whatsoever, I could ask it here. One of them would answer that question. And our map here is where we have where we are across the world. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, New Zealand, Australia, everywhere, right? And what I love about the program is it's a one-time payment, but there's weekly coaching and mentorship. So you can see today is the 1st of August, and this is our August schedule. So every single week we have mentorship calls. On Monday, we have this mentoring Zoom here, and we have technical calls to help you get set up if you're stuck. We have mentoring with Cecilia, that's a South African millionaire. And so this helps us stay accountable to building our business. Now here is our classroom, where we have additional tools and resources to help us build our business. This has just come up here. This is a 30-day growth plan to help us build our business. So there's a video here that I have to watch, and then there's resources here. We have a pre-launch worksheet, we have a 30-day calendar, we even have a 30-day tracker to help us, right? So the classroom is additional tools and resources to help us build our business. Apart from that 30-day that's just started, we have the freedom formula, the 90-day blueprint, where our multi-millionaire who created this program, every day for 90 days, she sends us a video. We're on day 82, and she's talking about creating our first brand content plan. And this is one thing that I've learned from this program, is how to plan my content. I no longer figure out on the slide, okay, this is what I'm going to do today. No, I have it planned out. I just have to follow the plan. So in this video, she goes on to talk to us about that. And for the past, since the day 78 to 82, it's just been a series about building our brand. Very, very powerful. Now we have free webinars where our multi-millionaire and six-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us, and they give us resources to help us promote that webinar. We have mindset training to help us get rid of our stinking thinking, mentoring, Zoom replays you would have missed. Some of those, you get access to that. We have social media training. We even have a content vault. Remember, content is that first one we talked about. If you're not ready to show your face, you can use this content here, upload that onto your social media, okay? So here are some of the wins that we have in the community. Christelle, 3 days ago, we have 20 South Africans who've earned the first million in South African rands using our system. So Christelle is one of those South African millionaires, and she mentored Zoe, right? And she's just congratulating her. Bridget, 9 hours ago, woke up to a $900 sale. Last year, she lost her house, her furniture, her car, lost herself in between, and her kids were taken away from her because of poverty, right? and now here she is on the up and up. That's absolutely amazing. Michelle is just celebrating. We have 55,000 community members, and Yvonne, 11 hours ago, $900 ding last day of July. For $900 this month of July. Wow, what a day to have additional 900 on the last day of July. Congratulations. Victoria, another 5-figure day. She earned $10,400 in one day. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to her. And she's one of our 6-figure mentors. She's earned over $500,000 with this program. She started off to start this program, she cleaned houses, babysat, and she's gone on to earn over $500,000. Imagine earning $10,000 in one day. Kevin, $1,500 day today. He has earned $4,000 in 2 weeks. So these are all the different wins. Belinda, 22 hours ago, $300 ding while taking an afternoon nap. Congratulations. Eliora, 8 hours ago, $900 day, feeling super motivated after making $900. Absolutely amazing. So these are all the different wins that we have in our community, right? Real people getting real results. So what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start learning high income skills, how to attract your perfect customer using social media. You get access to a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, which has live interactive coaching and mentorship in there. You get access to a thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs to help you in any way that you need. We have the 90-day runs that our multi-millionaire does, and we just started a 30-day that I just showed you there that I haven't even gotten into, right? So we have all the tools and resources to help you build your business. Now this month I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business, just so that they can finally fire their boss and get to spend more quality time with their family. Now, if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, go ahead and comment blueprint so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. Now, once I'm going to send this to your inbox, check your spam, check your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.